Hi team, I recorded this video to show you that how the QuickBooks and the Magento integration is working. So this is our admin panel of the customers. Okay, let's start from customer syncing. I'm going to create a customer in Magento and then I'll sync. I will show that how it will sync with the QuickBooks. So okay, I'm going to create a new customer from Magento backend. Add new customer. First name demo, customer email customer Okay, I'm also putting the address, so we can see that addresses fields are also syncing in the QuickBooks. Company Okay, I'm going to create this customer in the Magento. Now let's see what happened on the QuickBooks side. First, let me show you that this customer is not already exist in our QuickBooks. Okay, the customer name I created, the name was demo CUS customer. We can see that for now there is no customer with this name. Okay, now I'm going to show you the QuickBooks Web Connector. This is an application which helps us to communicate between the Magento and the QuickBooks desktop. For now I set it on the manual run, but in future when everything works fine, you can switch it to automatic. Here is the checkbox auto run. You can check and set the time, the time interval. It will sync like in this case there is a 15 minute. It will sync records after every 15 minutes. You can also increase these times as you feel better. So for now I am going to run it manually. Update selected. Okay, it is completed. Now we will search it again. Demo CSTO. Okay, now you see the customer is created with the first name, last name, phone number, and his email, and with the addresses that we entered in Magento. You can see that the email address and the other street address, city, and zip code, etc. Okay, now next step, I'm going to create an inventory item in the QuickBooks, and then we'll see that it will also create and sync in the Magento. Okay, I'm going to I'll go into the item list, and here I will create a test or the demo items from here. Item name, we put it demo item by motion. Okay, so we put the cost $1. ARG, okay, the ARG field, I'm syncing it as SKU in the Magento. So I'm going to test it demo 123 demo item. Okay, so regular price is 1.5, unit cost 1, and quantity on hand. Okay, I am going to put the quantity 10 pieces. Okay, now I'm going to save this item, and then we will sync and see it will also start showing in the Magento. I'm going to save. Okay, we have to select the department. Okay, the item is saved in the QuickBooks. Here it is, with the on hand quantity 10 and available quantity 10. Now we'll check this item first in Magento. It is not exist now until we sync it with the QuickBooks. Okay, we can search by SKU field. We demo item apply filter. Okay, now you can see that there is no item already exist with this name, or now we will sync it from here, from the web connector. Okay, now we'll go back to the Magento and refresh the products page. Okay, now you can see the item is created here in the Magento with the quantity that we put that quantity there, 10 pieces. Okay, so now next step is average unit cost and available quantity. All the fields I found in the Magento, I updated here. Now I'm going to create a sales order from the Magento, and we'll sync it with QuickBooks. Okay, create new order. We will also see when we create an order and we sold it from QuickBooks, we will see that that item we will select in the order. The quantity will also affect or change on both sides. I'm going to create new order for newly created customer that we just synced. Okay, add product by SKU. We will choose the product we just create, demo item, and quantity 2, add to order. think the price field is not updated from QuickBooks to Magento, but I will check this that why there is no price, which field is affecting the price in the QuickBooks. Let's say I'm putting the custom price here, $1, and please okay, the quantity is 2, and I'm going to save this order. Store pickup. Okay, so now I'm going to submit order. Order is created here in the Magento. Okay, now we can see in the QuickBooks. Let's see before syncing that how many orders are already in there. Here is the order list. There are already 16 orders, open orders in the list. The order we just created in the Magento is not yet synced, so I'm going to sync it from here. Okay, now you see that the open this number is not changed, but the order is synced. Open sales order now 17. We can view it, and here is our order we just created for the demo customer, and this one. Okay, we choose the quantity 2 for that item. We created item with name demo test item. Now we can see the available quantity will also decrease in the QuickBooks where we can see item list. Okay, the available quantity is 8 and the on hand quantity is 10 because we not yet sold that order. So I'm going to sold that order from here from the order list view. Select I want to sell items. Okay, I'm going to sold this sales order from QuickBooks. Cash. Okay, save only. Okay, now the item is sold, and we can now see what happened with the quantity in the QuickBooks. Now the on-hand quantity and the available quantity is 8 in the QuickBooks, and it should be also updated in the Magento. So we'll sync this. And now we can see that order the product from here. sorry, it is already here. Okay, now we can see the quantity is also updated here. The remaining quantity is 8. So I think that's it. If you have, you can review and test on your end, and let me know if you have any question or confusion. So please ask freely. Thank you so much.